Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Steam friend code. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So Valve recently added a new way to find friends on PC gaming. Client Steam that immediately be familiar to fans of Nintendo platform. The new Steam friend code system hasn't replaced on any of the old methods, and it's instead meant to be a complementary alternative. True, many people have been left wondering, what if my Steam friend code? So how to check your Steam code on your Steam account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Steam. Now you can just go to settings, so you can select on the up left corner here on your Steam. There's an option settings, you can select on that, and from here you can go to account and you can check your friend code in here. So here's your friend's code on your Steam. It's very simple, right? You can share this code to your friends so they can add you on your Steam. It's very simple, right? So that is how to how to check your friend Steam code. It's very simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.